Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, dear. Have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear, what's the topic of yours?
Migrant laborers in India, problems and solutions.
Okay, migrant laborers in India. Fine. What's this migrants?
Migrants who used to used to move from one region to another.
So they all are considered as migrants people.
No, in search of some employment opportunities or for a higher salary, they used to move from one region to another.
Okay. So the reason behind is earning more.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
migrate from one place to another. Some other reasons are also be there for migration, or this is the only reason to
No,
earn big
ma'am.
money?
Like if the region in which they live, there is a high population, so they do not have employment opportunities.
Okay.
To have a better standard of living, they used to move that place. Or if they do not have much.
Okay. Fine.
अच्छा, दो वर्ड होते हैं, एक होता है इमिग्रेशन, एक होता है इमाइग्रेशन, एक होता है IMMIGRATION, एक होता है EMIGRATION। इनमें डिफरेंस होता है कुछ? Do you know?
Yes.
एक होता है
IMMIGRATI immigration. When you shift from in your own
एक
country.
होता है ये। इन दोनों में डिफरेंस बताएंगे आप?
Emigration to outside the country.
Which one is outside the country?
Emigration
Okay.
Yeah.
and immigration within the country.
Okay. अच्छा, तो आपने क्या जैसे प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है आपने ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स देखी होंगी कि माइग्रेंट्स लेबर ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं, क्या हैं वो प्रॉब्लम्स?
So they do not have a shelter to live in. They do not have basic food supply with them. They used to work overnight, but they do not get the enough wages for their work. They do not get recognition for their work, and they do not get the legal rights from the government. And even in the pandemic, we see that they are the most suffered sector at that time, because we all have shelter to live in and food, but they do not have enough money even. And also the trains and buses, all transportation was shut down without almost any notice, so they were suffered
Why
the
they
most.
wanted to go back at the time of that pandemic, where they were staying for so long time? Why they don't stay there?
Ma'am, because their landlords have removed them from the accommodation because they were unable to pay their rents.
But as far as I have learned, that the CM of Delhi has already declared that he will provide
Relief camps,
Yeah.
but most of them do not have the access because a large number of population of migrants were there, and the facility provided was little
Okay.
as compared to the population.
Fine.
क्या सोल्यूशन है फिर इन लोगों का? ये जो क्राइसिस हैं ये बहुत हैं,
Yes, sir.
बहुत सीवियर हैं, कोई सोल्यूशन नजर नहीं आता, कोई लॉन्ग टर्म कोई सस्टेनेबल सोल्यूशन नहीं है।
Yes, sir.
तो क्या हो सकता है? कोई दो सोल्यूशन?
Sir, first we need to register themselves, because some of them are even not registered with the government, who are migrant laborers. And even government have also started, will going to implement soon one nation one ration card,
यस।
so that they will able to get the food in the city where they are migrated, because they have ration card of the place where they were born, so they are unable to get the food at the place where they got migrated.
Okay.
Also the government have implemented the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana in the 116 districts. They provide 125 days employment to the people who migrated to their villages. It's like it will help them for employment opportunities as well, and for boosting the rural development. They have recognized 25 sectors like plantation, panchayat bhavans, construction, rural housing. This will help for the rural development and provide the wages for these people who migrated to their villages back.
So what we should think of now they will stable where they are. So
No, ma'am.
little problem will be sorted of this migration and all.
No, ma'am. It's a long-term problem and need various more solutions.
Okay.
अच्छा, माइग्रेंट्स, यहाँ माइग्रेंट लेबर लिखा हुआ है, तो लेबर से रिलेटेड कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री है कंट्री के अंदर? जैसे हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री है, तो लेबर से रिलेटेड कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री है?
So labor ministry.
लेबर मिनिस्ट्री है। ओके, उनके मिनिस्टर का नाम पता है आपको? हु इज द लेबर?
संतोष कुमार गंगवार.
आप 30 सेकंड्स में
Yes.
अपने प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक 30 सेकंड्स में समझाइए।
Okay.
कंक्लूड
So.
करना है आपको, समराइज करना है।
Okay, sir. The first thing, why I have selected this project, because it's an unprecedented situation, and when we see in the reports, lakhs of people coming on the roads, so it creates anxiety that why are they doing, what is the cause behind that. So that's why I created the project behind it, and I came to know various things, what are the problems caused to them, and what are the solutions made by the government for them. Still there are large number of people who do not get even access. Like government even given the $22 billion package, but it did to transfer the funds to their accounts as well as to provide food supplies. But they didn't get because it requires identity card, and they don't have. Most of them don't have. Even they have started Shramik train to help them to migrate to their place, but they were overcharged for the tickets, and they require some documentation which most of the people don't have. So in conclusion, I want to say that it's a long term problem, and we cannot solve it like in a year or two. It will require time.
Fine. Chaliye. It's a good one. Good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.